HQ Trivia game was already available on iOS past this fall, but earlier the month of December 2017, HQ Trivia made an announcement for Android users launching the app on Google Play Store's early section. The Android app is still in beta and it might be unstable. To join the game, app will send you push notification. You have to answer each question within 10 seconds. If you tap an incorrect answer, or you run out of time, you will be eliminated from winning the prize. And if more than one person makes it to the end, then prize will split within winners. Once you earn $20, you can cash out with PayPal account anytime. You can win a extra life by referring your friend. Company says that all the prizes are sponsored by Intermediate Labs Incorporated and sometimes affiliates, marketers, and partners.
To everyone, whatever time zone you're in, thanks for making time to be here. I'm Emma Tattenbaum-Fine. You can just call me Emma and then mumble the rest. That's fine. Welcome, newbie Android players! Yes, we're happy to have you. This game can be played while spelunking. It isn't safe, but it is physically possible.
Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.